This is the trade review for Thursday, the 13th of June 2024. And today I was looking at Nvidia. No, not Nvidia, AMD. On the daily, it was a bullish day, and we had reacted S3 2 days ago. Yesterday we tried to run higher, but close on a doji, and today was gonna be interesting. Uh, Value was hit higher compared to the other day, and the Camaria pivots were also bullish, slightly bullish. So I was expecting a bullish day, but also the possibility of a full traverse from R4 or R3 to the downside, which is what happened. So we open to the top side with a very long candle, and I was waiting for this candle to close the second 2 minute candle to actually form a hammer, and it did. But I was looking for an entry at around 162 after this rejection, but it actually poke through 162 by a lot, by 60 cents. So if I made my entry early here, I would have gotten stopped out. So I was a little bit more patient, and as you can see, it worked out. I let the price probe uh, past this price, and actually I was lucky not to get stopped out here. Price probe to 162.53, but I made my entry here. I was waiting for price to pull back to around 162.10 for me to place my stop loss here after the 50 decimal, but I got filled at 162.09 on a nice hammer. The volume was not that great, but it's hard to compare with the previous candle. And that's when we started the full traverse. Level 2 was a bit balanced, but it wasn't so bullish that it made me scared of making an entry short, so I was ready for that. And so pre-market high was one of the places for my short, but I was also the R4 level where we had yesterday's range, which was a bit unexpected. So I partial a little bit too aggressive for my liking, but I just wasn't sure if we were gonna continue with this big candle that we had buying up first. So, but usually when I'm playing a full traverse, I want to partial a little bit more passively and a 3 to 1 and allow myself to get a little bit um, more profits. So I partial a bit aggressively and then I partial at the open, secure 2 to 1, partial a little bit more at around S2, and then we had a nice hammer here for a reversal, which I thought was gonna make today a bit of a neutral day, which kind of ended up happening, but it failed to reach the highs of the day. So when this hammer came here, I decided to close my position. It was only 3 shares, not a lot. But as you can see, it was a mistake because soon after we ended up dropping to what could have been another full dollar move. So um, could have ended the day with more profits, but it's okay. We actually had opportunities to add here at the reaction of S3. We dropped below S4 as well. And the reversal happened just under S4 at 157.50 for a traverse to yesterday's range again. but I only took that trade, and yeah, that's it. I'm very happy with finally being able to take the trade. 06 12 24. I can't believe I didn't do this. Yes, yes. Today, yes. The 610, I had a loss. Today we did very well. Follow more routine. We had an excellent pre-market prep and executed entry flawlessly, and had good profit targets. Finally hit goal, 100%, one trade, 0, and we got 3.7 out of it. So I'm not too concerned about hitting that for our goal, but it's fine. So this was an R4 reversal. So it's an E trade. Yes, balance, win, and 3.7. And finally, something good. I need to do this as well. So 26. And this was an E trade. Yes, win, and 3.7. So a very good start for this new set. Set 26. And that's it for my trading review. I'm very happy with the performance today. It was a very good trade, and I understood AMD completely, despite being inside a chop area. We had rejected the monthly S3, but today was a little bit weak, and I think we might have set value a bit lower, but it's continuing to chop, and I did really good on this reversal. I'm proud of that. It's been very difficult for me lately, so it's a good progress. I just had to be a bit more patient with the profits, as it kind of it could have gone better if I had parceled a bit more passively, all the way down to yesterday's range. But that hammer right there at S3 kind of made me want to end my trading then. But it's very good today. Hopefully I can continue being focused in the process, and we continue live. So that's great.